this bitch in slow-mo and shit, man. I'ma just put the clips in the nigga spinning them bitches. This nigga had my shit in slow-mo, man.
Nigga, fuck your shit up, man.
Fuck, man.
Straight dick off of this shit.
That shit would make me mad. Why this bitch ass nigga had my shit in slow-mo? Why this bitch ass nigga had my shit in slow-mo? Watching the cars. Duh, cause the car be rules okay. Go ahead. I'll come with you.
Hold on, we gotta wait for somebody.
Nigga, you could go stand right there. They gonna make them niggas want to spin right there even more. Come on. Wait, let's make sure that nigga finna park. You know them niggas don't give a fuck. They will hit a nigga.
I hope we don't get hit over here.
Nigga said, I hope we don't get hit. Boy, I'm gonna jump on that damn pole.
Oh, God, nigga, great.
Fuck, sure. Well, if this nigga smash shit again, I'm gonna be mad. Shit. I wonder, hold on. Let's see.
You found out the truck for this man?
Sure. Oh my God, he trying to kill this nigga.
Hey guys.
Please don't let a nigga hit me. That boy can't show it off. I got a fucking headache.
Nigga It's old.
I fuck with you, but he straight want the damn video.
He's straight with in that bitch. How you gotta?
Oh, you finna go again? No, boy, I thought you finna go again.
Man, I'm waiting on the Infinity bitch to come spin decks, man.
Shit, no, that boy needs some new tires. Is he finna spin that bitch? See, look, this is why when you vlogging, you gotta act hold that bitch out far. But I'm finna.
What kind of lens you got on?
There we go. I fixed that bitch.
Feet up, feet straight, feet to the bitch.
Face ass. Imagine you on camera and you set that bitch up and just go spin your own shit. Just go spin that.
Might as well go ahead and pull that bitch out.
I would.
Spin where it is.
I would. I don't got no extra tires though. I ain't got nobody to come get me if I do.
At the risk, it's fucking.
Boy, I look.
Straight shining. It's there's some shit around the corner. You ain't coming through it.
Oh.
Man.
Man.
Wait till my shit get right.
Nigga shooting a video in the middle of the sprint spot. Like, who you know doing this face ass?
Niggas ain't doing it like this.
In the middle of the spin spot.
Check this shit out.
The Hondi's is finna spin.
Ain't nobody talking about no spinning. Everybody sitting out there going straight.
If they go get born, that nigga that don't want to spin the shit, go spin the shit.
Why they sit like this? I turn this shit on. Found out that bitch is SRT. Ain't no
You go to call me these niggas sitting in the car.
don't do shit. Sit in the car, no music, no friends. Rushing in.
No air. She missed her ride. You know what's crazy? That nigga point this shit and took his shit out of track mode. I heard that shit. I heard the exhaust. I heard that bit closed. I'm like, damn, that boy took shit.
That man straight structure with that bitch. He do that shit on a regular basis.
On God, I ain't gonna lie. That nigga, he was gonna keep spinning his way, but we had gotten away, so that nigga had curved that bitch that way.
I wanted to straight get that bitch close as fuck.
No, that nigga would've hit us.
Man, you gotta get a shake. Touching it.
You'll be. Oh, I left my lens off. I'm tripping. We will be touching that bitch, alright.
That nigga flip.
Nigga, oh shit.
Nigga go straight flip over it. Oh no.
I need to go put my lens in the car. I don't know why they gave her the gun. You hear me? I don't know why they gave her a gun.
Oh god, she gonna
let that bitch roll. bitch, his shit just need to be back heavy.
Huh?
His shit ain't back heavy enough. I told her to tell you just slam it. Oh, yo. Hold on, I gotta take a bit on the truck. They ain't trying to lose their life. LJ, nigga ain't trying to die for real. Man, send that nigga shit live. Oh God. Hold on, you finna catch up? I record everything. Shit, I'm recording all the evidence. Police get their ass. On God. Recording all the evidence, bitch. And Rob gonna post it. And you gonna post it. Get what? He gonna be a bitch in the corner with them big ass lips. Oh my God. Get out the window. Put the camera out the window. That bitch dumb. Oh. That's a girl drive. I don't give a fuck. That bitch dumb.
That's an XXT.
Swear, that bitch dumb. Let's see if she gonna do something. Are we fucking road accident, baby? Let's get up! Straight finna be dead. You talking about to 12 tomorrow?
Straight rolling.
Nigga talking about he ain't finna go home to 12 tomorrow.
Fuck no, nigga ain't going home to the sun no more.
Nigga, I'm going home at like 1. What the fuck you talking about?
Way the fuck over there. Why the fuck over there? Way over there.
That shit did just piss me off, though, I ain't lying. I don't fuck with this location. That bitch sound like you gonna break down before she get anywhere. So that nigga really be spinning on XXT wheels. Look at the pizza delivery van. I mean, cool. But yeah, son, that nigga he be spinning his shit on XXT wheels. Like he got regular wheels on that bitch. He got regular wheels on that bitch, then he got XXT. No.
Hey, walk that hoe in, man.
Hello? Like right here in the middle. Did that shit. Where?
Boy, fuck you.
Man, what down?
Nigga, hey. Boy, fuck you. Hey.
Damn, where?
Man,
Pat
both
the
of them
little
playing
nigga
like
out
my
there.
dog.
Hey, little
I don't
ass.
give a fuck.
These niggas. The fuck is he doing back there? That big, you know the big ass impossible. them XXT bitches? Bitch out here, she got fucked. Go home.
They about to spin right here.
Shit, they could.
They could if they really good. They really good for it.
Really on the fast shit.
I can do that shit, but I ain't got my car on me right now. My car's real.
Only fast shit could spin right here. Anything slow gotta go wide.
What? Because I know like most of the cars are the same. What are like? What's some other porn? Some other porn shit you could like?
I hear that bitch.
You can spin a lamb.
I hear that whine.
You can spin a lamb. A lamb.
You can spin anything.
But like. What if it's sit low to the ground?
You can spin anything.
Yeah, I think it is.
Shit. Thanks, Twin, for the finish shit. parked there. Who in the car?
You know, you got one of them cars, his lights stay on. Fancy cars.
Make a nigga think they been robbed. Smirked the car. Who the fuck made that nigga mad?
Who made him mad?
Who the fuck did that guy something? Damn, now I'm finna go instigate. Huh? That's a 3-man right there.
Oh, you said the same thing?
Should they come back? You trying to see if we can get that?
I don't know, that's the thing. They say go set it up. You hear me?
I'm not walking way over there.
No, over there when they come back.